CORSAIR iCUE allows you to have multiple profiles for different programs or activities, allowing you to minimize distractions by dimming down your system lighting, applying custom fan curves to make your system quieter, and load program-specific actions to help you maintain efficiency. We're going to start by creating a new profile by clicking the plus button on the profile bar. Double-click the new profile and name it something. We're going to call it Office for this tutorial. Now we're going to set up some basic lighting. Click the tile for one of your RGB-enabled devices and go to Lighting Effects. We'll click on our keyboard for this tutorial. Click the plus button to add an effect. Change the lighting effect by choosing an option in the drop-down menu in the middle of the iCUE window. We're going to pick Static Color under the Lighting Link column. This will sync the lighting effect across all iCUE-compatible RGB hardware. Alternatively, you can choose Static Color under the Custom column if you only wish to apply this to your keyboard or another device. Use the color wheel or enter the RGB values for your preferred color. Some example RGB values can be seen on the screen to emulate real-world light sources. Feel free to experiment with what works best for your workspace. Once you picked a color, add some custom macros for your work applications. We cover some basic macros in the video linked below. Now jump over to your cooler or fan controller and go to the Performance tab. Click a performance profile, then click the fans and/or pump you wish to apply it to. For this example, we're going to apply a quiet fan profile across our system fans and CPU cooler. If you've got a cooler that features 0 RPM mode, you can apply this for an even quieter workspace while your system is doing light tasks. If you want iCUE to automatically switch to this profile when you've got a specific application like Word or Excel open, click on your profile in the top left corner of the window under Profiles. In the middle of the screen, click the Browse button next to the Link Profile to Program line. Navigate to the program or the shortcut of a program you wish to link this profile to. For this example, we're going to pick Microsoft Excel. And that's it! You've created a basic profile to help you focus on productivity. For more information about our iCUE-enabled products, go check us out at CORSAIR.com. Thanks for watching.